704464. Could you tell me how to turn off this mic? Okay. All right. Thank you. So we are back and we have our presentation right here. So as I had mentioned that today we are going to discuss about next gen field productivity and Odoo services with our latest lineup of products, PI Field Pro and PI Task Watch, that have been developed by our in-house team of developers at Primacy Infotech. So a little bit about us. We are an Odoo Silver partner with over 250 successful implementations. We have collaborated with clients all over the world. We are specialized in Odoo ERP customization as well as mobile app development, SaaS development, and many others. We are currently headquartered in the city of Joy, Kolkata, West Bengal, and we are also expanding globally. Like we have offices currently in UAE, United Kingdom, and in Bangladesh, and many more are on their way. And we have experience of working with clients in manufacturing, retail, metallurgy, healthcare, food and beverages, and many more. So to start any session, I would like for you to imagine this. Imagine you are Ravi, a sales representative who's working for a company. Now, Ravi's day starts at 7 a.m. scrolling through a messy chat log on his WhatsApp that has been sent by his manager of details about the clients that he needs to meet, the leads, the opportunities that he has to tackle. Which is all half-baked and is very much incomprehensible. And by the time that he has figured out anything, the traffic had already built up on the road. So that's already a lag on the company's end and on productivity's end. So, and then there is Ravi's manager who cannot get any idea about what's going on with the field, or has he talking to the customers, has he talking to the clients, has he gotten like any idea what's going on? He has no updates whatsoever on him. And by the time that Ravi is done with his workday, he then has to fill up whatever he remembers from his workday, and like that too, even if he does, because as a field sales representative on an average visits 30 to 40 clients every day. So it's not really easy for them to remember, like if they had come across any new lead that they can talk to, any new customers that that were there. So our solution for that is PI Field Pro. Unfortunately, yeah, the logo is over there, as you can see. So PI Field Pro is a mobile-based application that we have built and integrated with Odoo, which can be used for real-time tracking of field sales representatives, as well as, since we have integrated with Odoo, we can actually use the various features that are there in the CRM module, like creation of leads, creation of opportunities, and many other. With today's day and age is of artificial intelligence and of data. And we have made sure that to integrate AI optimization for route tracking with live traffic updates and everything, so that it is easier for field sales representatives to go from one place to another and track and map out a particular trajectory for their entire day. So as you can see, with PI Field Pro, Ravi now at 7 a.m. can log in with this facial feature. We have a facial feature recognition system inbuilt inside the app, so he doesn't have to come to the office directly. He can just do a attendance check directly from his phone. And then his manager can just give out the route. We also have a dashboard that is integrated within Odoo that we have built, using which Ravi's manager can also check what's going on where he is. And one of the features that we have integrated is that we are also recording what trajectory is being taken by Ravi and what was actually suggested to him. So if there is any difference of trajectory, you can actually the manager can actually ask Ravi for a justification that, hey, you were supposed to visit these leads, but you did not visit this particular lead. Why is that so? And then the conversation can flow in from there on. Also, one more thing that we have done is that there are also reimbursements that are needed to be given on the basis of the day-to-day transportation. So that can also be calculated using PI Field Pro by the managers, and they can also it can be a fairer form of payment that can be done. So these are the key features that we have for PI Field Pro. As I have mentioned, we have attendance, live tracking, assignment of tasks via Odoo CRM, and we have also in the dashboard we have a route planning system that is right there. So it is easier for the managers to check which leads are in particular areas and sections, and they can on the basis of that filter out and plan out the routes. And then there is, of course, the reports and insights that they can check out directly from the dashboard, so they don't have to go on one section and then they have to tally anything up from others. So these are some of the demo screenshots that we have from the app, and from the dashboards and everything. And if you would like to check out, we would absolutely suggest that you can visit our stall at Exhibition Hall 1, stall 35 and 82. We have demos right there. We have our team members even right there for you to who would love to explain to you what PI Field Pro is, and I would love to give you a detailed description of everything. Yes, we have a demo video and right here that we can probably just start. I think there's an audio issue here. Could we please check if the audio is working? So as I have mentioned, our company, Primacy Infotech Private Limited, we believe in, we have one belief: minimum customization, maximum utilization. We know that Odoo's default features are fail-safe. They cannot fail us. So we try to work around them. We are always, we believe that our customers, they are choosing Odoo because they are facing issues with their current systems. So we try to brainstorm with what they are facing, with the issues that they are facing, and on the basis of that, we come up with solutions with them so that their issues are resolved. We have also tried out, like our customers, we have also tried out PI Field Pro and PI Field Pro in the workplace, and they have had very amazing results, which we would love to show to you all. Okay, I think we are having some audio issues. So, yeah, as I had mentioned, you can check out the demo at our stalls, at stall 35 and 82. I think we should just proceed with the next demonstration that we have. That is for our next product, PI Task Watch. So, this was the issue that field sales representatives face at any given day, at any given work day. But what about the issues that are faced when it comes to tracking employees who are working on desk? Like in today's day and age, post-COVID, we know that there are three kinds of employees that are there. We have the in-office employees, the traditional ones who have been there forever. Then we have the remote employees who are working from different states. And then we have the hybrid employees who work like 3 days a week in office, 2 days from home. It is all about the employee's convenience and like what happened, like whatever the company can decide on. Now, tracking how they are performing and how they are doing their work can be difficult for like the employees who are sitting on their desks, because like if you have used Odoo before, you know that there is a timesheet module there. And it is very easy there to just over-report like how many hours they are exactly working for, and like, or under-report it. And that wouldn't be fair to the ones who are actually working hard on the given tasks and are delivering absolute results in the given span of time. Am I right? So that is the challenge that many organizations today, we believe, are facing: lack of visibility, inaccurate reporting, and productivity leaks. Because of which we have developed a system called PI Task Watch, which is a task tracking management system that has been that we have also integrated within Odoo. I believe we have the logo somewhere. Okay. So as I mentioned, the PI Task Watch, there are various key features that are there. Like for example, we have tried to reduce the licensing cost for PI Task Watch as well as for PI Field Pro. We have reduced the licensing costs that you might need for your field sales representatives or for your employees. We also have real-time monitoring and time logging of the activities of the desk workers, as well as auto-generated timesheets. So like you don't have to rely on your employee anymore to like file in the timesheets at the end of the day. It is also already getting logged in. As well as we also have a screenshotting feature that is there in Odoo, that we have integrated in. So like while the employee is working on their system, screenshots are being taken at random given points of time, so that there is a track and like there is a proof that like a particular employee is working at a given point of time, and if they are not working, so that's there. Also, we have integrated Odoo HR and payroll and project modules in here. So like it is easier for task assignments, even for like people who are already adept with Odoo, or they are like starting to use Odoo and like they want to integrate it in their company. So So these are some of the demo screenshots. Like these, this is the dashboard that we have for PI Field Pro. This is, I believe, the admin view dashboard. So like you can check how every employee is working, what time they have spent, and like what is their productivity rate. So the productivity rate, that is actually something that we calculate via the mouse scrolls, the amount of keyboard clicks, and the scrolling and everything. So on the basis of that and other metrics that we have embedded in the system, we are calculating productivity for them, and on the basis of that, you can get like weekly as well as monthly like performance reviews of your clients, like who are performing best in your company. So you can give them increments and promotions on the basis of that, and who might need some improvements, like which employees might need some improvements. And as you can see, like there is a task distribution as well that is there, like how many tasks are currently going on time for your team, how many are getting delayed, and how many are missed. And on the basis of that, like you have on the dashboard, you can check out like which tasks are exactly the ones. And as I had mentioned, that we have payroll and other Odoo modules already implemented in here. So you also get an option to directly pay from the dashboard itself to your payments. So you don't have to go like switch from one module to another for invoicing or any other requirements. And in PI Taskwatch, one thing that I forgot to mention was the GUI that we have or the graphic interface unit, which is also there, which will be installed in the system for like the screenshotting and the timer for the timing part. So like every task is timed, and like on the basis of that, it is getting filled in the timesheets. So if you want to check out the demo of PI Taskwatch, it is also there at our stalls, stall number 35 and stall number 82. We are Primacy Infotech in Exhibition Hall 1. We would love to welcome you all there and like show you the various features that are there. I believe like Google Slides, there's an issue with the images today, but yeah, we have actually a offer that we have specifically for Odoo Community Day. So today, if you are like planning to collaborate with us on discussing about PI Field Pro or PI Taskwatch, you can actually avail a 30-day free trial of both of these apps or of one of these apps. So to like discuss this, we would request you all to come and visit us at Hall 1 at stall 35 and 82, and we can actually have you along with us in our journey that we have curry culture. I believe like many people must have heard about curry culture here, since I believe like it's a major brand here in Gujarat for food and beverages. So we have actually like helped them with their Odoo setup, Odoo 17 setup, and like with their entire customizations for their manufacturing, as well as in their setups. Like they wanted IoT-based calculation in terms of like unit economics and stuff. So we have actually done that, and as well as they have implemented PI Field Pro and BioSync in their workplace. So PI BioSync is another app that we have for biometric attendance, and that is also there available at our stall. So you can check that out. So yeah, we have done that, and because of that, they were able to gain successful records. They were able to gain successful insights into how their employees are working, and they were able to receive good results out of it. And similarly, we have also worked with Manara, which is a national fertilizer manufacturing and distribution company. They have branches all across India, and they have also we have also deployed PI Field Pro and Taskwatch to them as an all-in-one solution, as well as we have worked with them in their Odoo setup and customization, and they have been able to report a 30% increase in their daily field reporting. So yes, that we are also specialized in Odoo implementation, service consultation, and in customization. We are also there for end-to-end support for our customers. So if you join us once, you will be there. We will ensure that you are left satisfied, and you and your employees can work seamlessly and get the productivity and the results that you were looking for, that you did not have before you had Odoo. So yeah, that is it from my end. We have a small Q&A session though, and I would request our CEO sir, Kabir sir, to kindly join me on stage. So yeah, please go ahead, if you all have any questions for us. No, sir, we are currently headquartered in Kolkata. But we are in the works for establishing our branch here in India. So it's in Kolkata, West Bengal. We are headquartered in Kolkata, West Bengal, but we are in the works of establishing another branch of our company here in Gandhinagar itself, actually. But yeah, we can, if you would like to collaborate with us, we are always ready to come over and actually do a requirement analysis, like on-field requirement analysis, which is like a very essential part of our planning and processing stuff.
Yeah.
Any other questions?
Any question?
Please feel free to ask us any questions that you may have about PI Field Pro, PI TaskWatch, PI BioSync, and also we have demos of all of our amazing products and of our of the amazing work that we have done. It is Exhibition Hall 1, stall 35 and 82. We are right there for you, and we would love to welcome you all to our stalls, and we would love to showcase our products to you all. Any other questions, anyone? I guess we do not have any questions from our audience. Well, that is absolutely all right. As I mentioned previously, and I'm going to mention it again and again, we are at stall 35 and 82 in Exhibition Hall 1, Primacy Infotech Private Limited. Please don't forget our names. And we would love to welcome you all. See you all there. I'm Arunima Chatterjee. Thank you so much for your time.